If you're seeing Facebook error 10, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right away to get things working again. This is a quick troubleshooting guide, and the best part is that these steps are easy, free, and safe to do on your own. We'll start with the fastest fixes first, then move into a couple of browser-related steps that solve the issue for many people. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, the easiest step is to refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook error messages appear because the page didn't load correctly the first time, and a simple refresh is enough to clear that temporary issue. If refreshing doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and stable. Try opening another website to see if it loads properly. If other websites are also slow or not loading, the issue may be with your network rather than Facebook. In that case, reconnect to Wi-Fi, restart your router if needed, or switch to mobile data temporarily to test whether the problem goes away. Now let's move on to the browser itself, because browser data can often cause Facebook errors. One very effective fix is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can become outdated or corrupted, and that can prevent Facebook from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear the cached images and files. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Facebook again. If you still see the error, try using Incognito Mode. This is a great test because Incognito Mode opens the browser without using most saved cookies, cache, or extensions. If Facebook works in Incognito Mode, that usually means the issue is caused by browser data or one of your extensions. You can then go back and clear your cookies, disable extensions one by one, or use Incognito Mode as a temporary workaround. It's also a good idea to restart your browser after making these changes. Sometimes the browser needs a full restart before the fix fully takes effect. If you're on a phone, close the Facebook app completely and reopen it, or restart your device if needed. That can help remove small temporary glitches that trigger error messages like this one. If none of the first steps work, try logging out of Facebook and signing back in. A fresh login can sometimes reset the session and fix account-related loading problems. You can also try opening Facebook in a different browser to see if the issue is specific to the one you're currently using. To summarize the main fixes, refresh the page, check your internet connection, clear your browser cache, and try Incognito Mode. These are the most common solutions for Facebook error 10, and they usually solve the issue without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix the problem, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.